Happy New Year. Check this out. Just came back from a hygiene check and I saw a patient of mine that it's her first visit with us this 2025. And I looked at her case and it looks so amazing and I have to share it with you. Over 10 years ago, this woman shows up in my office. She was Googling and looking for stuff on the internet, found me and said, hey, I like this guy. He teaches at NYU and he's got the credentials and let me go and interview him to do my work. She comes in and I say, smile. And this is what I saw. Nice lady. She was in her early 50s and told me that she had some health issues and lost her teeth consequently and went to NYU Dental School to get some implants and crowns. And this is the way she's been walking around for a while. Take a look closer. I couldn't figure out what it was, but it is some sort of a temporary restoration on implants. When I took everything off, this is what I found. I actually found implants that are placed in pretty good positions, very nicely done. The gum is healed. It's beautiful. But the restorations were terrible and nobody could finish it for whatever reason. We started by connecting impression copings to the implants. These are devices that help us index the implants in relation to the rest of the mouth. And use the impression tray and this special material that's called impression material to pick it out of the mouth so we can make a model and then build the teeth on that. This is the model that we made in the laboratory. And on this, we can start building a restoration. We made a special wax tray to try in and see what the smile would look like before we put the teeth on. Once we put everything together on a machine called an articulator, we could actually see that not all of them were pointing the right way. We had to fabricate special parts called abutments, and these are angled so they can redirect the implants into something called a line of draw. This way I can take the restoration in and out in one direction and in one piece. We also fabricated a beautiful provisional restoration with a metal backbone right here so it doesn't break and doesn't look like what she came in with. And this is what it looks like on the tissue side. So we took this beautiful provisional restoration, put the patient in the chair, and delivered this to her. So she came to our office looking like this. And 2 weeks later, she left looking like this. Pretty big change. She was happy, and so were we. So what's the big deal, you say? Everybody does that. Well, yes, I guess, but the problem here was that she was short on finances, and she couldn't afford the final restorative work. She was incredibly happy, and her teeth looked like this. What could be better? So she kept walking around with this provisional for a very, very long time. So 10 years have passed. And now she shows up to my office looking like this. The provisional was beat up. It really didn't look that great. But technology is moving along and now we can do everything digitally. What took us a long time to do in the lab, for me to work and for my technician, we can do it much faster and with a much, much better price point today on the computer. We went ahead and took off the provisional. The implants are still there. They look great. We put special pieces called scan bodies right there. You can see that. And these scan bodies allowed me to transfer the information from the mouth into the computer. We also took the bite registration, meaning how things meet together. You see the scan bodies actually they appear to be in the way, but we do that first with the provisional like that. And now we have the correct height for her mouth because that did not change. And now, based on that old provisional that I delivered 10 years prior, we developed a new one that looks like this. It's gorgeous. It's made out of a plastic called PMMA, polymethyl methacrylate acrylic. And now we can deliver that to her and check everything and make sure that we like the speech, the function, and everything else. You can see from the palatal side how beautiful this looks. Looks like the teeth are coming right out of the mouth. Look how beautiful this looks in the mouth. This is all computer designed and all computer milled. She loved it, and so did we. Once I got the okay from her, I just told my technician to duplicate this beautiful provisional in the final zirconia framework. And here it is. Take a look at the tissue reaction right around here. It looks like the teeth are coming right out of the mouth. It's gorgeous. And of course, the smile says it all. And of course, in true fashion, we take our post-ops a couple years down the line, so you see how well it performs. She's happy. And of course, she found a picture of the teeth in her youth. Look at that beautiful smile. I think we gave it back to her. Look at the difference beautiful teeth make. Now that is a beautiful smile. So now you know. From Prosthodontics to Implant Surgery of Manhattan, where people come in with missing teeth and leave with absolutely gorgeous smiles, I am Dr. Zev Kaufman. Follow us on social media. And if you like this video and this content, give us a like and give us a follow. See you soon.